Donald Trump had suggested last week that the NHS would absolutely be on the table in any future trade agreements. I know that he did step back from that, but I'm not sure how much we can take him at his word on that. You and Welsh Government have been adamant that you would not want to see the NHS privatised. And I think that you've said there's absolutely no prospect whatsoever of us allowing the Welsh NHS to be part of any negotiation on new trade deal with the USA. It is simply not going to happen. I applaud your tenacity on that, but could you give us some clarity, please, about what mechanisms you could use to ensure that this would not be on the table? Because, as far as I understand, the powers over public procurement were handed over as part of the intergovernmental agreement.
So, of course, Trump talked about the NHS. What was almost more concerning to me was the US ambassador talking about it, who should have had a clear understanding of the importance of the NHS to us in the United Kingdom. Legally, it would be difficult for us to stop because we don't have a veto over trade in terms of the Welsh Government. Politically, I think it's extremely unlikely to happen. So I had a discussion with Liam Fox about specifically, this is an area that is devolved, and we would be absolutely clear that we would want a say in that. If they were to try and trample on our rights as a devolved area, then we would probably challenge them in court. Because we think that they would be stepping on our toes constitutionally. So, but I don't think it makes any sense for them to go down that route, because they can sign any trade deal they want. We're the people who are driving the vehicle here, and it would be very difficult for them to gain access if we are actually the people driving the vehicle.